Look how bad he wants to eat. He's so hungry. Look at him.
Okay.
He's working so hard.
Tell it bye.
Bye, Camel.
Feed it, Cameron.
Got you covered, Camel. Got you covered right here. Off you. He's like, oh, my favorite. Just what I was hoping for. Some grass. They're soft, huh? Make a burp. Put your finger in his mouth.
Burp. Hey, look at his
He's got
eye.
sleepy.
He's got a sleepy. Let him get your finger.
No, that's bad. Look at camel toe.
Where? Oh.
Big ass camel toe.
Look at the little pony. Okay.
You want to ride him?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Let's get on it.
You sit on the hump or behind it? Or
In between it. Is there one in between?
No, it's not a double hump.
Oh.
Single hump camel.